What up, traders? It's your boy, Mr. Gentleman T himself, and I'm back again. Welcome to Everyday FXT. Yes, I'm back again, guys. Back with the number one. The week has started very profitable, and I hope you guys are making money. I hope you guys are making money, but that's not enough. This is only the beginning. This is only the beginning of good things. When you say they will do good things for you, this is only the beginning of the good things. He will keep on delivering. He will keep on giving you the good stuff. And I'll also do what I have to do on my side. Go like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share with your friends. Tell them about the good stuff that I'm giving you guys. You guys are eating. You guys are profitable. You guys have had very much profitable weeks. Some losses here and there, but we have more wins than losses, which is a great thing. And this is a new week. We don't focus on the past. We focus on the journey to the destination. So yeah, go do the things to be done, guys. Give you a couple of seconds. 3, 2, 1. It should be done by now. You've liked, you've commented, and you've subscribed if you haven't subscribed. And then yeah, turn on the notification bell. Without any further ado, let me dive straight into our first pair of the day, which is USDJPY, guys. Let me show you the full picture. So the full picture of USDJPY is that the market did break the violate all the higher lows, and then it created a new higher high. Right, this is a new higher high since the market has been in this correction to the downside, and like I said, it did touch this trend line. It did touch the trend line, and then it eventually decided to shoot all the way up. So now the market is ready to continue all the way upside. We can see an impulsive move from here. Had a correction, and it broke the correction, and then had a new impulsive move. So these impulses, you can see this side, we had a very same impulse, correction, entered a big correction, now broke the correction that we've been in for weeks now, and now we're looking to continue all the way to the upside. So at this point, let me go to 1 hour time frame, because I feel like let me not explain. I am the man here. I am the giver. So this is what's happening, guys. So the market did break the area, but okay, no, let me show you this, guys. So there's actually some people who say, why don't place this thing here like this? It will make sense, because if it's like this, the market has been respecting the areas, You can see a touch here, you can see a break and then a retest, clear buy to the upside, and we hit a 90% rule. Why? That's not how I am, guys. That's not me. I don't allow my trend line to cut through a body. So you can see this thing is cutting through a body here. So I don't like that. I don't allow that. Rather, let me have something of my own, right? And I put my trend line here, right? Obviously, my trend line should be all the way here, because at this point the market is breaking all the way up. So this is why my trend line is like one touch, two touch, one touch, two touch. I'd count this as a third touch, just for the likes of it. So the market did break this area. What would like to see happen before the market continues and gives a follow up of a very bullish next impulsive candle, I'd like to see the market correct. So at this point, I'd love to see the market correct all the way down here, or it might do us a favor, right? So the market might just come all the way here. So in the 1 hour time frame, let me zoom in. What we can see, we're seeing an impulse move to the downside, and then we have an indecision doji here. So what this will help us get a clear move to the downside is if we see a next impulse, maybe a big candle, a big red candle going down. It can either touch here or come all the way here. If it comes here, that's super nice. But even if it comes here and gives us a clear confirmation that it is rejecting this area, it is giving us a direction continuation. If it gives us some sort of a correction which is very nice and clear, we are able to draw our trend lines and then break the trend line, test the trend line, and continue all the way to the outside. That would be very great. But even if it comes here, it'd be even greater. So this is what we're looking to see on USDJPY. This is definitely what we're looking to see. The market coming here or the market coming all the way down here before it can actually boom continue all the way to the upside, right? And then continue all the way to the upside. Yeah. 1,000 ways to kill a cat, guys. But because the cat has 9 lives, it's like we have to kill it in every way possible to reach those 9 lives. So let me not waste time and dive into our next favorite pair, GBPUSD. I love it, guys. I love it. Am I a banker? Am I a market mover or what? Because this is a clear. Go watch my previous video if you're new. Go my yesterday's video. Not when I say previous, I'm referring to yesterday's video. So guys, oh, my eyes are paining. Guys, I've been grinding. My eyes are affected. I've been having sleepless nights, guys. I worked hard for this shit. Sorry for the insult, but I worked hard for where I am right now, and I'm very excited to share all this with you guys. And I know you guys have been up and down. You guys have been grinding. I'm still grinding, But yeah, I'm happy to be where I'm at right now. Like, I'm very happy. So my eyes are affected and they're burning hot. And this is like a second pandemic to me. It's like a second pandemic, but it banned and we're good. But that's not the main question. That's not the main point here, guys. So very nice correction to exactly where I really wanted to see the market go to. It did touch our trend line, respectively. I love a market that respects it. Let's adjust this trend line because right now it's cutting through a body which I don't like. Right. No cutting through bodies here. We don't want to touch them. Okay. Don't want people cutting through bodies. Don't want trend lines cutting through bodies. Okay, let's fix this. Oh, clear. Right. So we have our nice correction, and right now it looks like the market is ready to go all the way down. This is the point where we are selling the market. This is where we are looking to sell this market. And remember, we won't sell it on a 1 hour time frame, we sell it on a 15-minute time frame. That's only up to you. That's only up to the type of trader that you are. This side, we sell it on 50 minutes. So yeah, guys. So what we wait for now, if you want to risk it, it's fine. The market has already broke the trend line, the support trend line. If you want to risk it, you can enter a trade now. Get the sell all the way down here, you know. But at this hour, you can see there's no momentum. It's like midnight, so there's no momentum that's pushing the market, right? There's no volatility in the market at this time. You can just wait, because when it's like this, it's very manipulative. Because you might think it's selling, and then this thing decides to come back in the range and then give us a very long rejection all the way back, just to take you out with your stop and all that. Because you don't want to sell here and have your stop above here. I mean, that's way too risky. So just wait. You can just wait and look if the market goes down and then comes back for a retest. So let me do this. Let me do this, because what I'm seeing at this point, perfect. So what I was looking to see is, you see this trend line, this one, this key area, which was a support, now a resistant, and now the market broke, made it a support again, and then it broke down again, tried to make it a resistant, which it did, because this body didn't close up, and it closed up out and then came back in, like super nice and simple. So if you look at the candles now, it's like they are just below this trend line. But let's look at this candle, see if it can close maybe here or below this. So if this next candle closes below this trend line, the small trend line, you can just easily sell this thing and have your stop just above here. Exactly right here. Sell this thing, have your stop in the trend line, in the support trend line, not below it, but in it. Or for you other guys, you can just wait and look at the formality of the market. Wait for the market to break, just go down even more. The market can just go down like this from here, just go all the way here, because we see multiple rejections here, and then we can see the market coming back to test the structure exactly here, which is then now you have a smaller risk. You can just put your stop here, and then you have your 1:4 win rate. Right? 1:5, 1:4, depending on which time frame you're trading on. Right? So, and then from there, you can catch this thing all the way down here to the 90% rule to be safe, or all the way down to this trend line. Right? So, okay, when it's here, your first TP will be somewhere here, second TP somewhere here, and then your third TP all the way down here. Not exactly here, but all the way down here, right? Which will be safe and easy for us to do. And that's it for GBPUSD. Let's move on to our last and final pair, which is USD CAD. So the movement of USD CAD, the direction is changed, guys. So we can see the movement. We can see the movement now. It's clear. So we have this push to the upside. And this is not just any other push. This is an impulsive push to the upside. And then we entered a very, very long correction of sellers. Like sellers took this thing here, but they didn't have that strength, that much strength to take it all the way down, down, down. And then this is where they went up to. So let me have this here. So here we can see how far they went up to. So they took this thing all the way here as a retest to this area. The market broke this area, they didn't test it, and then now it's coming back to test it. It did, which has a nice correction to test it, and then it broke. But this movement to the upside for buyers is not that volatile. It doesn't have that much power Because if it did have power, you'd see these candles. Like these are big candles. These are very big candles, right? So this is what you'd see, but then I'm not seeing that now. So at this point, what I'd like to see the market giving me, because I'm late to enter, what I'd like to see the market giving me, something like this. Now I'm confident to buy this thing. Because I know if it does give me this correction to the downside, the next move is very impulsive. The next move, if it does give me this correction all the way to the downside, you can just give me something all the way here. And then I'll show you what I'm made of. Buy this thing all the way to our TP, yeah. Or you can take it all the way to the 90% rule, which is here, right? But I'll take it all the way there just because that's me. Yeah, this is how it looks like on USDCAD. Let's go to GBPUSD. Let's go to our USDJPY. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you for our subscribers. I'm very happy. And yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. Let me do this. Just for the fun of it. Remove you. Let me take you this way. Yeah. Thank you for today's video, for the subscribers, guys. Thank you for the subscribers. I'm very grateful for the subs, guys. And yeah, it's your boy, Mr. Gentleman T himself. Go do the things to be done. Like, comment, share with your friends, family, and everyone, even your enemies. And then subscribe to my channel. Tell them to subscribe to my channel. Don't just watch for the fun of it. And most important thing, turn on that notification bell code I drop every day. Like I'll be dropping every day, especially now because I don't have any complaints or problems as to say, it's low shading on it. At this point, I'm in a good space. So like, guys, go do the things to be done. Turn on that notification bell because I'll be dropping every day all day. Yeah, that's me for you guys. Love you. Peace.